Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to day 3. Day 1, we figured out how to compare different rates. Day 2, we went bowling and tried to figure out if a relationship is proportional. And now we're going to continue to A, decide if it's proportional, and B, use that to answer new questions. So, I heard that some of you don't love bowling. That's fine today. Hopefully, you love mini golf because we're going to play some mini golf, which is exciting. So take a look. I found this mini golf course in Oakland, and this was the games and cost. 2 games cost 11, 6 games cost $33, and 8 games cost 44. The first thing I ask myself when I look at a table is this a proportional relationship? How do you decide if it's a proportional relationship? If you said take y and divide it by x and see if that's constant, you are correct. So to figure out if it's a proportional relationship, what you can always do is take y divided by x and see if it's constant. So some students would be like, Mr. Z, it can't be proportional because it goes 2, 6, 8. That has nothing to do with whether or not it's proportional. It's proportional if y over x is constant. So let's see. If I have $11 and that's for 2 games, then the cost per game there, you can use a calculator or do some mental math, would be $5.50. If I have $33 and that gets me 6 games, you can plug that into your calculator or you might be able to do the mental math. What is 33 divided by 6? $5.50! Yay! All right. Now, a great mathematician always tests everything they have. So those two are alike. Let me test the third. What is 44 divided by 8? $5.50! That is correct. 44 divided by 8 is $5.50. So take a moment and ask yourself, is this a proportional relationship and why? Hopefully you said, yes, this is a proportional relationship because y over x is constant. So I might put like a P check next to this table. What that means is that I can solve new problems. Because it's proportional, I know that every game costs how much? $5.50. So if I wanted to play 10 games, I could take 10 and I could multiply it by what? $5.50, and that would tell me that 10 games would be $55. Or if I got as crazy as I did with mini golf that I did with bowling and I wanted to find 300 games, because it's proportional, what could I do to find the cost of 300 games? If you said multiply by $5.50, you are correct. And 300 multiplied by $5.50 is $1,650. Way too much to spend on mini golf, but I suppose 300 games would last me a little while. Today, you're going to receive a table. You're going to decide if it's proportional, and then if it's proportional, you're going to be able to answer the follow-up question. If it's not proportional, then you can't use the multiply by $5.50 or the multiply by the value shortcut, and so you won't be able to answer that question today. Is it proportional? And then use that to solve new problems. I hope you're all having a great week and that you're reaching out to Mr. Bender if you have any questions or concerns. Hopefully this is helpful. I will see you soon. Bye.